Gerard said to the intruder that he has taken a lot of trouble to know more about the Gerard, and he further asked from the intruder that whether he would not tell him about himself, means he would Gerard intruder would not tell to Gerard about himself. Then intruder said, I could tell you plenty, means I have a lot of things to tell you, and you are thinking you are smarter, but I am the top of the class round here, and from here I am smarter than you. I have got brains because I have intelligence, I have brains, and I am using that brain. That's how I have got where I have, and due to this intelligence, due to this brain, I have reached where today I am. And where he was? In the Gerard's house. So Gerard said, and where precisely have you got? That where exactly have you reached? Tell me. Then he further asked, it didn't, and he further said that it didn't require a great brain to break into the little into my little cottage, because as you are standing, he told Gerard told to intruder that as he was standing in Gerard's cottage and without his permission he entered like a criminal. Then Gerard said that to enter into his cottage, it didn't need any kind of brain, because it's easy to enter in the cottage. Then intruder said, when you know why I have broken into your little cottage, means when you get to know the reason that why I came in the cottage, then you will be surprised, and this surprise will not be a pleasant surprise, means you will not be happy by getting knowing about this. Then Gerard said, with you figuring so largely in it as you are standing in front of, that is understandable. I could understand that why it would not be a pleasant surprise, because as the intruder entered into the cottage like a criminal, it means he was hiding some kind of crime. That's why Gerard said that I could understand that why it would not be a pleasant surprise. But he asked, by the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace? Means what particular line, what kind of crime intruder was doing? Or aren't you a specialist, or you are a particular, or you are, or he asked from intruder that whether he is a specialist in any kind of crime. Then intruder said, my specialty is jewel robbery, means he was a thief who was thefting the jewelry. Your car will do me a treat, means now for jewel robbery, he said he would use Gerard's car. It's certainly a dandy bus, and it is one kind of a dandy bus, meaning is showy, means one kind of that it would attract the others' attention. Then Gerard said, I am afraid jewels are few, because here are few jewelry shops and far between in the wilds of Essex, and they are lying at a very far distance in the forest of Essex. Then intruder said, so are the cops, and if jewelry shops are rare, then cops means police officers are also rare, and I can retire here nicely. And that's why he could stay uh, in the cottage of Gerard in Essex for a little while, means for a little long period of time. Then Gerard said, you mean to live with me? That whether you wanted to live here in the cottage? A trifle sudden, isn't it? And it is bit a sudden kind of information for him. You have not been invited, as he didn't invite the intruder, or he didn't tell the intruder to stay with him, but he himself was saying that he wanted to stay here. Then intruder said, you will not be here long, so I didn't trouble to ask. And as you are not going to stay here, means he told to Gerard that he would not stay in the cottage for a long period of time, so he didn't take attention to ask from the Gerard, or he didn't uh, need any kind of permission from the Gerard. Then Gerard said, what do you mean? Intruder said, this is your big surprise, and it is a surprise for you because he was going to kill him, means intruder was going to kill Gerard. Then Gerard said, a little harsh, it is a very bad thing, isn't it? Intruder said with heavy sarcasm, means one kind of fun in his voice. Intruder said, yes, I'll be sorry to do that, means I am sorry that I am going to kill you. I have taken a fancy to you. Taken a fancy meaning is begun to like, means I am looking like you, but it's you got to be done. But it depends upon you that whether you are liking me or you are looking like me or not. Gerard said, why add murder to your other crimes? It's a grave step you are taking. Grave meaning is serious step. And he told to intruder that firstly you are a criminal and many crimes are there, and why you are taking one more crime on your head. It's a very serious step. Then intruder said, I am not taking it for fun. Means it is not a fun for me. I have been hunted long enough. Hunted long enough meaning is that police is trying to catch him. Means they had followed him from a long period of time. I am wanted for murder already. Means police is running behind me because the intruder had run a crime, and they can't hang me twice. And if he said, intruder said, if he would do one more crime, then they couldn't hung him, sorry, they couldn't hang him for two times. Gerard said, you are planning a gratuitous double. Means you are planning whatever your plan is, it is you don't have a reason for this plan, so to speak. And he said, speak whatever you want, admitted you have nothing to lose, and you can admit that you don't have anything to lose. Means there is no one in behind you that who would take worry, who would be alone without you. But what have you to gain? But what you will get after killing me? Then intruder said, I have got to gain freedom. I'll get freedom. As for myself, because for himself, he was a poor hunted rat. He was just like a rat to whom the cat wanted to chase. Means he himself imagined himself as a rat, and the police officer like a cat that who wanted to chase him. As Vincent Charles Gerard, I am free, and if he said, intruder said, if he would take the identity of Gerard, then he would be free to go to places and do nothing. I can eat well, and without any work he could eat well, sleep, and without having to be ready to beat it at the sight of the cop, and he would not be having a fear that any time the police can catch him. Then Gerard said, in most melodramas, that in mostly dramas, the villain is foolish enough to delay his killing, and even the villain wanted to just kill the hero. And in melodramas, villain is not a foolish person that he would delay anyone's killing to be frustrated meaning is disappointed, that he should be disappointed at last. You are much luckier, but you are a luckier person that you are delaying the killing of another person, or you have delayed the killing of another person. Then intruder said, I am okay. Means if I had delayed something, then it's okay. I have got the reason for everything because I have some reasons. I am going to be a Vincent Charles Gerard because after killing you, I will be a Vincent Charles. Means intruder would take the identity of Gerard. See, I have got to know what he talks like because after talking with you, intruder said, after talking with Gerard, he becomes to know how he was talking. Now I know that posh stuff, posh meaning is upper class, stuff meaning is material, comes easy. Means this kind of way of talking or whatever you are getting in your life, it is easy for him to get. This is Mr. VC Gerard speaking, and he just imitate, or he just tried to copy how the Gerard was speaking. And what he spoke, pantomime of phone, means one kind of acting that he was doing phone call to someone. In imitation, cultured voice means by uh, speaking the same way as the Gerard was speaking. And that's not all, and it is not sufficient. He stood up, get up a minute. Gerard stand, and he told, intruder told the Gerard that once stand, and he told Gerard, now take a look at me. Means just see towards me. Then Gerard said, you are not particularly decorative. Means you are not looking same as me, as I am fine looking. You are not a fine looking person. Then intruder said, no, well, that goes for you. Means you are not a fine looking. I have only got to wear specs. Means I have need to wear only the specs like you, and then I will be enough like you to get away with it. Means I will look like you, or intruder would look like Gerard. Then Gerard said, what about your clothes? They will let you down. Means due to the cloth You will not be able to look like me, look like Gerard, if you are not careful. Then intruder said, that will be all right. It's his problem, because he said, yours will fit me fine, means Gerard's clothes would fit intruder properly. Then Gerard said, that is extremely interesting, but you seem to miss the point of my remark, means you didn't understand what I wanted to say. And what Gerard wanted to say, that you were luckier than most melodramatic villain. It was not a tribute. And by saying this line again, that he was a luckier villain, it was not he was not praising intruder's intelligence. It was not a tribute meaning is praise to your intelligence. You will not kill me for a very good reason, and I have a very good reason. By listening that reason, you will not kill me. These words are spoken by Gerard, means by listening the reason of Gerard, intruder will not be able to kill Gerard. Then intruder said, so that's what you think, and it is just your point of view. Gerard said, you will let me go, and thank God you didn't shoot sooner. And Gerard again said that when I'll tell you the reason, then you will let me go. That intruder would let him go, and you should thank God, because intruder should thank God, as he hadn't killed Gerard firstly. Intruder said, come on, what's on your mind, means what you wanted to say, better be quick, speak quickly. This conversation bores me, because he was getting bored by this conversation. Then Gerard said, your idea is to elude the police. Elude meaning is to escape from the police by killing me, as if intruder would kill Gerard and take his identity, then it means he would easily be escaped from the police. Then intruder said, yes, I like the idea. Gerard said, but are you sure it's going to help you? Then intruder said, now listen here, I have got this all planned. That intruder had already planned about this thing. I did a job in town. He was doing a job in the town, and something happened, things went wrong, and intruder killed a cop. Since then, I have done nothing but dodge, and by killing or after killing the cop meaning is police officer, from that day he was not doing anything, just trying to escape from the police. Gerard said, and this is where dodging has brought you, and due to that escaping from the cops or escaping from the police officer, you came here